In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive in ClickUp. Sometimes you archive a task to keep your workspace clean, and then later realize you need it back. Maybe you want to review old work, reuse a task as a template, or simply made a mistake. Whatever the reason, unarchiving in ClickUp is quick and easy once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps, slowly and clearly, so you can follow along in your own workspace. First, make sure you're in the correct place inside ClickUp. You'll want to open the list view that contains the task you previously archived. This is important because unarchiving is done from within the list where the task originally lived. So navigate through your space and folder until you find the right list, and then switch to the list view if you're not already there. Once you're in your list view, look towards the top of the screen for the filter option. This is usually found in the toolbar above your tasks. Go ahead and click on Filter. Filters let you control which tasks you see, including tasks that are archived and normally hidden from your everyday view. After you open the filter options, look for the setting related to archived tasks. There will be an option labeled Archived. Click on Archive to include archived tasks in your current view. As soon as you do this, ClickUp will refresh the list and show you tasks that were previously archived, often with a subtle indicator that they're archived. Now that you can see the archived tasks, find the specific task you want to restore. Move your mouse over that task and look for the 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options menu, usually on the far right of the task row. Click on these 3 dots to open the context menu for that task. This menu contains additional actions that don't appear directly on the main task row. In the menu that appears, look for the Unarchive option and click on it. As soon as you select Unarchive, ClickUp will restore that task to an active state in your list. It will now behave like any other regular task. It will be visible without the archived filter, and you can edit, move, or complete it as usual. That's all you need to do to unarchive a task in ClickUp. Open your list view, use the filter to show archived items,